Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar trimmed losses on Thursday and bounced off a 2-month low against the US dollar and is now attempting to reinstate its bullish bias as the market looks towards the key level around 65.90. If we see a break above that level, also being the 60-day simple moving average, then therefore would reinstate the upside to 66.65 as the first target and maybe on towards 67.20.25. With any weakness, anticipates support around 65.45 and from the two rejections at 65.10.15. Technicals are firming up, so I'm not going to get too negative at this level and possibly see the break to the upside. Moving on to the euro, the uptrend still holds and presently looks towards the region of 108.25 and maybe extending on to the recent targets around 110. As I anticipate a bullish recovery for the euro as it pressures this support level seen around 108.35.45, 2 and close to 3 rejections, we should see a further climb as the technicals are firming and therefore look to that call of 110. All eyes will turn back this Friday on ECB President Christine Lagarde when she will again participate at the Global Economic Outlook. That is in Switzerland, and therefore could find she may be a little bit mixed in her view when it comes to interest rate cuts. Moving on to dollar yen, the market is still pressing this topside level around 148.35.45. I feel that we are getting close to the top and therefore should see a pullback to 147.5 and down to 145.58 and reassess. Pound holds steady and no doubt could see further upside tests, moving on to eventually reach 128. If so, then any pullback should be shallow. Gold found renewed strength as safe haven demand hit the market and now looks back towards 2026. A clearance there should give further scope onto 2041 too and reassess. And wrapping up with oil, the bulls are still there, close towards the bottom side of the range, anywhere from around $70 to about 71. And looking at the present target, still remains at 75.5 and reassess. Well, that's a wrap for the week. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the interest rate report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.